Alright YouTube, how's it going? We're going to do another tutorial today. Today we're going to be talking about how to upload sounds to BlueBot. Wow. So the first thing you're going to want to do after you have already created a bind, I have a separate video on how to do that if you haven't already seen it, is you're going to put in the name of your sound, your server ID, and you're going to upload your sound via the browser. So we're going to take it back to the days of Vine, and I have a 21 bind right there. 21! And then you input your server ID. So when you're ready to pull up your server ID, you just go to your server settings in Discord, then click on widget, and then copy your server ID, which I've conveniently blurred out for myself. Alright, so after you've selected the sound you want, put its name for the soundboard in the little slot up here, and put in your server ID, you should be good to go. So you just certify that it's not a harmful or malicious bind, etc., and then you hit upload, and you should have a confirmation message right up there. So yeah, that's how you upload a sound to BlueBot.